What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to do a comparison between ECT power mode and normal mode. We are going to find out if ECT power mode makes the car quicker. In fact, many people think that it makes the car slower, but in today's video we are about to find out. Now, if you are used to Lexus or Toyota products, you know that they have a little button right here that says ECT power, which stands for electronically controlled transmission, and it's pretty much sport mode for these cars. They use it for a long time until 2013. They came with Sport and Sport Plus, and today I'm gonna use that little device called Traggy. I purchased that off eBay. You can find it on Amazon as well for about 130 bucks. So how you do this, you just download the app to your phone and register that to the app. Now you can do your 0 to 60 test and all that, but today it's not gonna be 0 to 60. We are going to find it out if we can get better accelerations with ECT power mode on. All right guys, let's find out. Okay guys, we are going to do a pull from a dig, everything on normal. All right, here we go. Guys, we're gonna do it on ECT power mode. Guys, we just got done with the pull from a dig. As you can see, this is not is 0 to 60 test. Like, you know, when you do 0 to 60 test, you got to put your foot on the brake and then rev the car to like 4,000 RPM to get the good numbers. This isn't what I was trying to do. I was just trying to see that between ECT mode and the normal mode, which one gives me a better number. Now we're going on the highway and try some pull from 60 to 100 and see which one is actually quicker. All right guys, we are on the highway. We gonna try and normal mode from maybe 50 to whatever. All right. Okay guys, we just got done, and as you can see, ECT power remote does help the car accelerate a little bit quicker. I don't know why there's people that say that it makes the car slower, but as you can see, the numbers that shows you that it actually helps. Now the time you see it's a little bit slow. It's like 0 to 60 is like 6 something seconds, but that's because I wasn't really doing a 0 to 60 test. I was just trying to see that between normal and the ECT mode, which one is better. I'm doing a separate video to see what we get from 0 to 60. And anyways guys, this is it for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Perfect.